on their equipments for which the connectors have to match, and all the members of STC and working group. Keshav, the STC looks to be a typing error. Is that PSC or STC? PSC, yes. It's PSC and working group. Last but not the least, all concerned persons in Supreme. We have 4 or 5 of them are here, but behind us there was a whole team of people working who were very dedicated. Time frame was very tight. Any questions?
Thank you very much. Now, the paper is open for discussion. I believe you concentrate more on the mechanical side of it and touched upon the electrical side also. So I believe there are people from the industry also. Please ask questions if you want to get that clarified.
See, there is an electrical side of Corona, the voltage stress distribution is the most fundamental electrical side of this.
Usually, state board estimate anybody understood board?
See, in the CD which has been given, there's whole set of calculations are there. Electrical area calculation, voltage distribution,
So,
how the clearances have been achieved.
now, I want to ask, I think that you have found the electrical stress distribution. First, you have found out the string insulator efficiency, and you found out that was like perhaps expression, and stress across the insulator by digital computer. Now, my question is that there are other tests you have also carried out.
Yeah, the radio interference tests have been carried out and the values have been given in the CD which is there. No, it's the paper also.
But they have not conducted any pollution test. Why is running? Why is transmission running? Line is running?
It is running in, no, it's not running. It's a trial line which is built in MP Bina. And what particular pollution test that you have in mind?
Pollution test comes under the insulator management scope.
No, you mean to say pollution test related to what?
Insulators
Insulators that you have used. That figure have
tested the insulation of the gap, the insulation of
It's all tested, sir. That is done by the insulator manufacturer. And that
they have provided you the data.
Yes, sir. No.
they have given us the data for the voltage distribution, which is relevant because we are manufacturer of grading
It's a
it.
certificate. I have got a copy of it.
Please.
Perhaps they have got the facility of doing the pollution testing.
Actually, when we do insulation coordination, we have not done, Mr. Agarwal has not done much to do that because that, as Mr. Pal is saying, that those studies were under the insulator scope, we developed that. But when we talk about insulation coordination,